Have you ever wondered how to set up a virtual machine on Azure? Today, we'll demystify this process, transforming you into a cloud computing whiz in just 5 minutes. But first, what is a virtual machine? It's essentially a computer file, often termed an image, that behaves like an actual computer. In other words, it's a computer inside a computer, running on your desktop or laptop, just like any other program. Virtual machines are commonly used for running different operating systems, testing software in safe environments, and increasing efficiency of computing resources. So how do we set up a virtual machine on Azure? Step 1, log into the Azure portal. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. It's free and only takes a few minutes. Step 2, search for virtual machines in the portal's search bar and select Add. This will start the process of creating a new virtual machine. Step 3, fill in the basic settings. You'll need to name your virtual machine, choose your region, and select your operating system. Azure offers various choices, including Windows Server, Ubuntu, and Red Hat Linux. Step 4, choose the size of your virtual machine. This refers to the number of CPU cores, memory, and storage you want to allocate. Azure provides a variety of options to suit different needs and budgets. Step 5, configure your network settings. This involves setting up a virtual network and a subnet. Don't worry if this sounds complicated. Azure sets up default options that you can use. Step 6, review and create your virtual machine. Azure will validate your settings, and once everything checks out, hit the Create button. Finally, Step 7, connect to your virtual machine. Azure provides a Connect button on the dashboard of your virtual machine. This will download a remote desktop protocol file that you can open to connect to your VM. And there you have it. In just 7 steps, you've set up your first Azure virtual machine. You've chosen your operating system, allocated resources, set up your network, and made your connection. It's time to explore the capabilities of your new virtual machine. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you experiment, the more adept you'll become at navigating Azure and harnessing the power of virtual machines. Thanks for joining us on this digital journey. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides and Azure tips. Until next time.